Guys, so I'm gonna be showing you how to make like this slimy slash slime snow. So let's get started. I already made this, so this is what it's gonna look like and feel like, and it's gonna feel really cool, and it's gonna be kind of weird. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make more, because I'm gonna show you how to make it. So yeah. So you're gonna need a little bowl. Yes, I took my restaurant out and just put it on this little plate thingy. But now I'm gonna just show you how to mix them.
Going to get you, Ronnie. You gotta get out of here, dude.
So, first you're gonna get some salt. And you're just gonna get a lot of salt and put it in here. It's gonna be a lot. It's gonna take just a little bit of while. And it won't be that bad, promise me. But I'm gonna put you guys on this. There, so the water bottle is upside down. And now you're just gonna put a lot of salt in here. And I'm gonna tell you guys when I'm done. But it's gonna need a lot of salt for this. It depends how much you want it to be. There's like ants in this, like, dude. Okay, hold up. I had to take my phone off. Okay, so the water bottle did not work out. But now you're just gonna put a lot of salts. I'm trying to get it. You're gonna get that much salt or more if you want to. I got more on this one, but I'm trying to make more with it. So yeah, told you guys how that already. And now you're gonna get some dish soap. Just gonna go get it. Just gonna get some dish soap. That much. Now you're just gonna mix it just a little bit with a toothpick, just like that. And then you're just gonna put it in the freezer for like 5 minutes or so, or more if you want it to be more good and stuff. But yeah, wait for 5 minutes and see. It's gonna be 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna see you guys in 5 minutes. And while we're waiting, I'm just gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like and stuff. So it's gonna look like, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be really kind of feeling weird, but mostly there's gonna be salt in your hands. And then you can just steadily just play with this. If it feels just a little bit sticky and it's sticking in your hands like this, you can add more salt, and that will make it better. But, yeah, and then you can just add more salt. And it smells like sand, like you're playing with sand. But I'll see you guys in like 2 more minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna get it out. We're gonna get it out now. 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna go. You're gonna mix it with whatever you want to mix it with. Yeah. You're done mixing it for just a little bit, like for minutes. It's gonna look like this. If it's too sticky, add a lot more salt and it will make it more better. Do not add no more dish soap unless it's too salty. If it's too salty, then add more dish soap. Don't add too much, like I just did. But you're welcome, and that's how you make homemade snow slime. But yeah, and you can make molds out of this, so it's like, yeah. And one thing that I can tell you, if you don't want to get your hands like this, like with the access and stuff, you can follow these steps. So you could get a bag. Okay, so I only have this big bag because I don't have any little bags. But you can just put this in here if you don't want to get access or anything. fingers, and you just open the bag. Wait a second. And there you go. If you don't want to play with this slime and don't want to get your hands sticky, I really recommend to put it in here too if you want to. If you don't want to, then you don't have to. But anyways, that is how you make snow slime. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe. I have no subscribers because I literally just started like, I don't know, a year ago. Yeah, so please like this video and comment or whatever you want to do. Please don't comment anything bad, but bye. Hope you guys have a nice day or night or good night or good morning or good afternoon, but bye.